The good news is that there's a really simple and easy way to make your old septic tank legal without having to spend thousands of pounds in replacement costs. All you need is the amazing Ecosystem Septic Tank Converter. The Ecosystem is a small black box that's powered by nature, not electricity, and will turn your old septic tank into a fully legal, government-approved system. So, how does the Ecosystem Septic Tank Converter work? Well, the Ecosystem is 100% organic. Inside, organic bacteria and enzymes break the sewage waste down like a compost heap into safe, clean mineral water. So, how do you install the Ecosystem? Well, the Ecosystem works with all septic tanks and is very easy to install. Just dig a small hole and connect the Ecosystem to your old septic tank. Job done. It really is that easy. So, how much does the amazing Ecosystem Septic Tank Converter cost? Well, it's £12,000 cheaper than having to replace your old septic tank. And for a limited time, you can now get the amazing Ecosystem Septic Tank Converter for only $3,999. But you know what? I want to make this offer even better for you. For the next few days, you can now save an extra £1,000 off the normal price, which means the amazing Ecosystem Septic Tank Converter is now only $2,999. That's £1,000 off the normal price, which means you can now make your old septic tank legal for even less. But just a word of warning, I only have a handful of units left at this price, so once the stock's gone and it's going fast, this offer will end. So, if you want to make your old septic tank legal and compliant without having to spend £10,000 or £15,000 or more in replacement costs, and you'd like to make your septic tank smell-free, pollution-free and safe for your family and the environment, then get your amazing Ecosystem Septic Tank Converter today. For more information, just click the link below this video or visit septictank.co.uk for free help and advice.